In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt with Notion in just 5 minutes. First, let's start by opening up Notion. If you haven't used Notion before, it's a robust tool for organizing your notes, tasks, and projects all in one place. It's highly customizable, which is exactly why the integration with Chatgpt can be a game changer, helping you streamline your workflow even more. Once you've opened Notion, the next step is to head to the settings. You can find the settings option typically in the sidebar on the left. Clicking it will open up a variety of options that allow you to customize and manage your Notion space. This is where we will configure the integration. After entering the settings, look for the Connections section. This is crucial because it's where you'll bring external tools into your Notion workspace. In Connections, you will find a list of applications you can integrate with Notion, emphasizing how flexible and adaptable this platform is. Now, you'll find options that let you explore various apps to connect with. You'll want to specifically look for Chatgpt among these choices. The ability to connect with tools like Chatgpt is what makes Notion exceedingly user-friendly, allowing for seamless connections that can enhance productivity. Once you've located Chatgpt, click on the option to connect. Clicking this will prompt a series of on-screen instructions that you need to follow to complete the integration. These instructions are generally straightforward, focusing on necessary authorizations and confirmation of account access. It's a guided process, ensuring that connecting these two powerful tools is as simple as possible. As you follow the instructions, you may also encounter notifications asking for permissions to authorize Chatgpt's connection with Notion. These notifications are part of making sure your data stays secure while enabling communication between the two platforms. Accept these when prompted to continue with the setup. By now, if you've followed these steps, you should have successfully integrated Chatgpt with your Notion account. This integration paves the way for using Chatgpt's advanced conversational capabilities right within Notion, making it easier to draft content, generate ideas, or automate repetitive tasks with AI assistance. Congratulations on completing the setup. By leveraging Chatgpt within Notion, you enhance your ability to manage information and tasks effectively. This integration can transform the way you work, making it both efficient and intelligent. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made the integration process seamless for you. Feel free to explore further possibilities and enjoy the productivity boost from integrating these two incredible platforms.